HVAC pricing is really hard to understand because a lot of people put the financing price only on the estimate just so there's not a sticker shock. When you go into it, you'll see that, oh, well, I don't apply for this financing and my price is so much more. What we do at Team Enoch is we try to have the cash upfront price on the estimate because every customer has different financing options available to them depending on where they are with their credit score, where they are in just their personal journey. So we try to have the cash price discounted upfront so customers can truly understand apples to apples.